What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Top 5 Trey, the place where we break down tech that actually makes sense for real people. And today, we've got a camera that's built from the ground up for creators, streamers, vloggers, and anyone tired of low-quality video holding them back. Whether you're just starting out or already deep in the content game, this thing is going to be a serious upgrade. This is the Sony E10, and it's not just another mirrorless camera. It's a purpose-built content machine that blends portability, pro-level quality, and creator-friendly features into one compact system. If you're ready to finally look and sound the way you want online, you're going to want to stick around. You'll find the link to this product down in the description. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and let's get into why the E10 might be exactly what your setup's been missing. Right out of the box, the Sony E10 feels like it was made for people who shoot solo. It's lightweight, compact, and easy to handle, whether you're holding it handheld for a vlog, mounting it on a tripod for long-form content, or just swapping lenses on the fly. It doesn't weigh you down, and it doesn't complicate the process. You pick it up, flip out the fully articulating screen, and you're ready to shoot from pretty much any angle, front, top, low, or side. That flip screen alone makes a huge difference if you're filming yourself, monitoring composition, or checking focus mid-shot. Now let's talk image quality, because that's where this camera really steps up. Inside, you've got a 24.2 megapixels APS-C CMOS sensor. That's way bigger than any phone sensor, and it makes a massive difference in depth, low light, and overall sharpness. The dynamic range is solid, the color tones look natural, and the details are crisp whether you're indoors or outside. You get that real camera look, smooth backgrounds, clean skin tones, and enough flexibility in post to get the look you want without hours of color correction. This kit comes with the 1650mm lens, which is super versatile. You've got a wide enough frame to vlog with and enough zoom to punch in for close-ups. It's fast, stabilized, and lightweight, the perfect match for a camera that's built to move. And since it uses Sony's E-mount, you've got access to tons of other lenses down the line, from ultra-wide to telephoto, depending on where your content takes you. One of the biggest strengths of the E10 is autofocus. Sony's real-time eye AF and subject tracking are among the best out there. It locks on your eyes fast and holds focus even if you shift, move around, or pick something up. If you're doing makeup tutorials, unboxings, reactions, or how-to videos, your face stays tack sharp without any hunting or lag. It's the kind of feature that just works, which means you can focus on your content instead of fiddling with settings. And speaking of showing things off, product showcase mode is one of those features that sounds small, but once you use it, you won't want to go back. Hold something up to the camera and it shifts focus instantly to the object, then snaps right back to your face when you lower it. It's smooth, accurate, and eliminates that awkward hand waving you used to need to get your camera to focus properly. Video options are exactly what you'd want in a content-focused camera. You can shoot up to 4K at 30 FPS, giving you super sharp video that holds up even after editing and compression. And if you're into slow motion, you've got full HD at 120 FPS for that buttery smooth cinematic effect. Everything looks clean, stable, and professional straight from the camera. And if you want to go deeper, you can shoot in flat picture profiles and grade it however you like. Stabilization is handled digitally in camera, and while it's not gimbal level, it does a solid job keeping handheld shots steady. Great for quick walk and talks, travel vlogs, or capturing B-roll without needing extra gear. It's stable enough that you can focus on your shot without worrying about every little handshake. Audio is another area where Sony clearly paid attention. The E10 has a built-in directional microphone that captures voices clearly and naturally, and it even comes with a windscreen in the box. That means if you're filming outdoors, your voice cuts through clean without all the wind noise ruining your take. There's also a 3.5mm mic input and a headphone jack, so you can upgrade your audio with an external mic and monitor it live. Whether you're using a shotgun, a lav, or a wireless system, you've got the flexibility to sound your best every time. Now for the streaming crowd, this camera's got a huge bonus. You can plug it into your computer with a USB-C cable and use it as a webcam. No drivers, no capture card, no setup headaches. Just plug and stream in clean, sharp, professional quality. Whether you're on Zoom, OBS, YouTube Live, or Twitch, this camera takes your feed to the next level without needing extra gear. The user interface is simple and creator-friendly. You've got dedicated buttons for things like background defocus, product showcase, and a mode dial that makes switching between video, photo, and S&Q modes easy. The menus are typical Sony, packed with options. But once you customize your main functions, day-to-day use is fast and straightforward. Battery life is decent, and for longer shoots, you've got options. You can power it via USB-C, use a dummy battery, or just keep a few NPFW50 spares on hand. For most shooting scenarios, especially content creation and live streaming, it holds up just fine. Everything about the E10 is tuned for the real world. It's not trying to be a full-blown cinema rig. It's trying to be the camera that lets you start creating better content today, without a learning curve, without extra purchases, and without guessing. If you're a vlogger, a content creator, a live streamer, or someone someone building a brand online, this camera will instantly improve the way you look and sound. If you're a student making tutorials, a small business owner recording promos, or someone looking to take their setup from basic to pro without breaking the workflow, the ZV-E10 delivers. You're getting a clean, compact mirrorless camera with a large APS-C sensor, sharp 4K video, excellent autofocus, built-in audio that sounds great, lens flexibility, live streaming capability, and smart features like product focus and USB-C plug-and-play. The Sony ZV-E10 isn't trying to impress with flashy gimmicks. It's just built to perform where it matters, and that's what makes it a serious contender for creators at any level. If this review helped you out, drop a like, let us know in the comments how you'd use the ZV-E10 in your content setup, and subscribe to Top 5 Trey for more real-world tech breakdowns without the hype. Until next time, keep creating, keep it sharp. Peace out.